How to apply for a driving license in India. Applying for a driving license in India can be done either online or offline. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process for both methods. First method, online procedure. Step 1. Visit the Sarathi website at sarathi.nic.in. Once you are there, click on Sarathi Services and select New Driving License. Step 2. Read the information provided and save the form. Fill out the form as directed, and remember to note down the application number before submitting it. Step 3. After submission, you'll receive an SMS that will keep you informed about the progress of your driver's license application. Step 4. To schedule your learner's permit test, select appointment for LL test from the online transaction with Sarathi section. Step 5. Choose a convenient date and time for your learner's permit test using the appointment for LL test option. Step 6. Ensure you have all the necessary documentation, including proof of age and address, when you go for the test. Second method, offline procedure. Step 1. Obtain the required application form. For a learner license, you'll need Form 1, and for a permanent license, you'll need Form 4. You can find these forms online on the State Transportation website or at your local RTO office. Step 2. Fill out the form completely and submit it to the RTO office in your area. Remember to include the necessary proof of age and address. Also, request a date for your driving license exam and pay the associated fees. Step 3. On the scheduled date and time, go to the designated driving license testing location. If you pass the exam, your driving license will be sent to your registered address. Alternatively, if you are taking driving lessons at a driving school, the staff can assist you in the process of obtaining your license. And there you have it. Whether you choose to apply online or offline, follow these steps, and soon you'll be on your way to holding a valid driving license in India. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.